Hi friends, it's Miss Lizza. Hey, I thought it would be a great time to review our letters and their sounds. Can you do that with me? Of course you can. Let's go. L, L, ladder, ladder, ladder starts with L. G, 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 like gift, gift. Gift starts with G. S, S, like sandwich, sandwich. Sandwich starts with S. W, W, like watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. I, wait, I is a vowel. It has two sounds. What are they? I and I, I and I. Like igloo, igloo. Igloo starts with I. D, D, like dog, dog. Dog starts with D. What? That's not a letter. Say, stick your tongue in, cow. H, H, like heart, heart. Heart starts with H. P, P, like paint, paint. Paint starts with P. Y, yeah, like yo-yo, yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with Y. A, wait, A is a vowel. It has two sounds. What are they? A and A. A and A. And alligator, alligator. Alligator starts with A. X, X, like X-ray, X-ray. X-ray starts with X. J, J, like jump rope, jump rope. Jump rope starts with J. That's a surprised cat. What's he doing in there? Z, Z, like zigzag and zebra. They both start with Z. Q, Q, quack, like question mark, question mark. Question mark starts with Q. E, wait, E is a vowel. It has two sounds. What are they? E and A, E and A. Like elephant, elephant. Elephant starts with E. K, like kite, kite. Kite starts with K. O, wait, O is a vowel. It has two sounds. What are they? O and ah, O and ah. Like octopus, octopus. Octopus starts with O. N, like necklace, necklace. Necklace starts with N. What? Look at that crazy dog. What's he doing in there? Did you put him in there? B, like butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly starts with B. C, like cat, cat. Cat starts with C. F, show your teeth. Like fish, fish. Fish starts with F. R, like rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow starts with R. Everybody pick a flea. I see a monkey. What's he doing in there? He's not a letter, but T is T. T, turtle, turtle. Turtle starts with T. U, wait, U is a vowel. It has two sounds. What are they? U and like umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. V, like violin, violin. Violin starts with V. And M, like mouse, mouse. Mouse starts with M. Did you get all the letters? I bet you did. I had fun reviewing them with you. Bye-bye.